Hey everyone, this is Tim here from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to full reset your Windows PC. So if you're having an issue with it, just going down to the Windows Start button right here, click on it, and go to Settings on the top. Maybe you're going to be reselling your PC or something like that. We can just go on over to System now, click this, and then go right and go on down under here. And we want to go to where it says Recovery. So scroll on down until you find Recovery. Select this. And then we have the option for Reset this PC. Choose to keep your files, or you can just completely reinstall Windows. So let's go to Reset this PC right here. And we have this little blue box that opened up now. And we have a couple different options under here. It says, keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. This could be a good option if you have a large amount of photos and videos. Maybe you can move those to a completely separate drive and disconnect that drive from your PC so it doesn't get affected. Otherwise, you do have the option to go to remove everything. Remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. So this could be a good option. Maybe you got some sort of virus that's affecting your computer. Maybe if you want to resell it, you can go to remove everything. But if you do have some sort of, family photos and stuff like that, you can go to keep my files on the top right here, and those shouldn't be affected. So choose one of these options, and your computer will restart a few times, and it'll go to like a blue screen. And it should give you an estimated amount of time of how long this is going to take you. But, at least have 15 to maybe 30 minutes available just to go through this and reset your PC. And when you start it back up again, it should run a lot smoother, just like if it was new. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.